Node's built-in fs module gives real, direct access to the file system, reading, writing, and listing files, something no browser.js can ever do. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. fs.readFileSync path UTF-8 reads a file's contents synchronously. fs.writeFileSync path data writes data to a file, creating or overwriting it. Async versions fs.readFile, fs.promises.readFile exist too, for not blocking the server while reading. writeFileSync creates the real file on disk. readFileSync reads it right back, genuine file system access, not a simulation. A route handler can read a real file and send its contents back as the response. fs and express combine naturally. Here's the real difference. fs.readFileSync /writeFileSync give real, direct file system access. fs.readFileSync /writeFileSync give real, direct file system access. This is a node-only capability. No browser.js API can read-write arbitrary local files this way. Async versions exist for not blocking the server during file operations. Write a route that appends a new line to a log file using fs.appendFileSync. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.